Tweety Bird got a little bit tweety, drank some rum and her bum got sweaty, got hungry and ate some spaghetti, and her journey began, so she was getting ready. Ooh, ooh, whoa, whoa. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Ooh, Tweety Bird said she was late for the brothel, couldn't find the plug that she puts in her bottle. She claims when it's inside that she feels no pain after a few snorts of Colombian